Hey everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. So today, we will create this. So let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Let's call it Logo Shine Animation. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution, at 30 frames per second. Now, it's time to create a new solid for our background. Let us name the background BG. And you can choose any color you want. And hit OK. After that you have to import your logo. You can choose any logo as you want. But make sure that your logo does not have a background. And then place it on the timeline. Now, you have to right-click on the logo, and click on the pre-compose. Make sure that you have to select Move All Other Attribute option. And let us name this as Logo. And hit OK. Now, go to the Effects and Presets option, and search for CC Light Sweep. If you do not have this option, you can go to the Windows option and enable the Effects and Presets option. And drag it to your logo like this. And you can see the shine in your logo, with the help of this pointer. You can also set the angle of your logo shine in this way. It also depends on your logo, but what type of angle you have to keep. This looks good to me. Now, it's time to animate our logo shine effect. Go to around 0 seconds. And click on the center stopwatch icon. And after that go to around 3 seconds. And drag the pointer something like this. RAM preview this, our logo shine animation has been complete. I have given the link of this project in the description. You can download this project file in the description box. So friends, I will meet you again a few days later. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.